This is Dog Mountain, and I'm here to show you how you can actually share your hash card. So see where it says giveaway, click hash card, then click initiate, then click to people. You select on the number of people that you'd love to join. So click 2, then click initiate. You close, then I'll copy the hashtag. Then you can now go and share it with friends on the group so that they join in. Hashcard, hashcard, hashcard. Press on. Okay, we've posted that. Then we'll go back. When some person says initiate or execute, you need to come here and execute. Yo, shut that up. I said that.